So I saw your email, question in the email from 6-2. In a random sample, 22 people, so your sample size is 22. The mean commute time to work was 33.8 minutes, and the standard deviation 7.1 minutes. Assume the population is normal distributed and use a t-distribution to find the confidence interval for the population mean mu. What is the margin of error? P, interpret the results. So I guess, I see here, you want to find the confidence interval. You can do this by hand. You can do it with a calculator, or you do it with StatCrunch. Of course, if you watch the videos, you have videos on all three available with the assignment. So if you're doing it by hand, it's the mean plus or minus the margin of error here. So the mean, and what's the margin of error? The formula is T critical times S over square root of N. And so mu, is given as 33.8. Standard deviation, 7.1. That's the sample standard deviation, and the sample size is 22. Now you'd have to look up the critical values. The earlier homework, had you looking up T sub C. You'd use the it's a 99% confidence interval in the population size. And so I'm assuming you worked those earlier problems okay. And so this is doing it by hand. You can use the calculator, and there's videos on the calculator how to put this into TI-84 and get the confidence interval. And you can do this StatCrunch, and there's videos also, if you go back to homework on it. And so I've gone ahead and I've put it, you go to Stat, and then t-distribution, one sample with summary. We're given the summary, we're not given the data. And so the mean's 33.8, that's given. The standard deviation 7.1, the sample size is 22, and then it's a confidence interval, you want 99%. Then you just click compute, and it'll give you the lower and upper limits, and you round it to one decimal. I kind of like using StatCrunch. You can do it by hand again, or you can do it with the calculator, and there's videos, all three available. I hope this helps.